Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your CSV files, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you convert your CSV files to PDF format using your Mac? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to convert your CSV to PDF format anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that when you're submitting files, some websites will only accept PDF. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mac. We're going to be using the Numbers application, which is free. It's already included. It's already on your Mac. You don't need to pay for a service. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up a few CSV files right here. And in order to convert them to a PDF, all you're going to do is just click on the CSV and then right click. Once you right click, you're going to see this menu and you want to click here on Open With. Once you click on Open With, you want to look for this button here called Numbers. It's in green. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up the CSV file in the Numbers app, as you can see right here. Now, in order to convert this to a PDF, up here at the very top, you're going to click on File. Once you click on File, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on this button, Export To, and then choose PDF. Here you can go ahead and adjust the settings and then click on Save. Okay, quick second later, you can see that my CSV was converted to a PDF right here. So let me go ahead and open it. Okay, so here is my CSV file that has now been converted to a PDF format using my Mac for free. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to convert a CSV file to PDF format, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.